Best sewing machines for beginners. Hey to all, here I am back with another exciting video. In this video, I will let you know about the best sewing machines for beginners. I hope you will like all of the shared options. Now, without any delay, let's start with this video. And yes, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. Now, let's have a look at the first option. I hope you will like it. Number 1. Stylist 7258 Sewing Machine. Here, we have one of the best sewing machines considered convenient and easy for beginners. You cannot get inappropriate shopping for the Stylist 7258. It is in my view a suitable newbie device. It functions what I indexed formerly as must-haves beginner choices. And it is really smooth and easy to operate and use. The designs for stitching styles are countless with 203 unique stitches to select from. You can create and beautify fashions, domestic decor, or something else you want. The top drop-in bobbin is straightforward to string and see so that you might not run out of thread with inside the center of a seam. Programmable needle up-down lesson for quilting, stitching appliques, or top stitching with adjustable sew length and width seen on an LCD screen. You may even set the most stitching velocity of the gadget, the usage of the speed control lever, which additionally is available on hand for novice sewers, slower for extra complicated tasks, or quicker for lengthy seams on curtains or duvets you are constantly in control of. Take off the removable storage compartment to access the free arm, which makes it even simpler to stitch round trouser hems and cuffs, kids clothing, and different smaller tasks. Now, let us have a look at the next one. And let's see what we have for our next number. Number 2. Janome HD100 Sewing Machine. I can be a little partial right here because my sister personally is this Janome HD100 in our home. So, I am pretty considerable about this machine, and this is seriously good for beginners. This gadget combines ease of use with heavy responsibility power, making it the suitable preference for beginners searching out something in order to ultimate them an entire life by on their projects. This isn't always the most inexpensive alternative, however, extra the form of machine ideal for an inspired newbie who will pursue stitching over time. The HD1000 mechanical sewing machine is ideal for any sewer trying to address an extensive variety of fabrics. This long-lasting and easy-to-use tool comes with 14 integrated stitches in addition to a 4-step buttonhole function that'll have you ever getting your work accomplished fast. The inner needle threader is great. No further misplaced threads or improperly threaded needles, even as operating on complex patterns. So, if you like this one, you can surely purchase it without any second thoughts. Now, let's have a look at the next one, and let us see what we have at this number. Number 3. Brothers CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine. Here we have another well-known Brothers sewing machine. It is also one of the outclassed sewing systems for beginners. The Brothers CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine is an exceptional entry-stage stitching machine for people who need to optimize their crafting time. It may be utilized by anyone, from novices to experts. The standard experience of the system offers it that professional stage appearance and sense at a low price. This automatic version lets you create your design simply and accurately, and is derived whole with 60 sew features and 7 one-step buttonholes. You also can manage your layout yourself and display the sewing velocity way to the adjustable speeds that assist you to stitch as many as 750 stitches consistently per minute. It has a huge LCD display panel, and it is smooth to examine and navigate. The Brothers CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine comes with an automated needle threader, which makes stitching for prolonged hours load simpler, without experiencing any eye pressure or fatigue which you commonly may whilst threading needles through the hand. The LCD show panel additionally indicates which part of the sew sample your system is the usage of at any given time so that you can effortlessly display your sewing progress. The integrated thread cutter makes stitching all of the simpler, as you do not need to fear approximately seeking out your scissors whenever you need to reduce your threads. Just pull the thread cutter lever and reduce it off. Now, let us have a look at the next one, and let's see what we get at the next number. Number 4. MX231 Sewing Machine. So, here we have another best sewing machine. This mini sewing machine is also good for beginners and can provide you with a good experience. For people with constrained tasks or limited space, a mini stitching device is a proper option. The Singer MX231 sewing machine is a full-featured device with an exceedingly small footprint. It's additionally fairly lightweight at 12 pounds. An integrated delivery deal makes this device an extremely good preference to take on the road. Although this device is small, it would not skimp on novice pleasant functions. It has 23 integrated stitches to address a variety of projects, which includes fundamental stitches, ornamental stitches, and a handy one-step buttonhole sew. Adjustable sew period and width settings, and an adjustable presser foot assist customers to tailor the device to their needs. This device additionally functions as an automated needle threader. It has a front-loading bobbin, however, its miles nevertheless smooth to wind and insert. So, this is it for today's video. Now, if you like these shared options, then must like, share, and comment on the video. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel for future videos. Furthermore, the links to all shared options are given in the description box, so you can check them for further details.